Mitch with OMG carpet cleaning here this morning. I don't know how these are going to show up on the camera here, but there are literally dozens of pee spots. This apparently is the popular room for a dog. I tried counting, I got up to about 18, and I kind of lost track because there's literally just little trails everywhere. Purpose of showing this to you is one, a little before video here. Two, to point out that, you know, with OMG there are no per spot fees. So all these spots are included in the cleaning. There's a company called Zero Res that charges an extra $40 to $90 per area for spots, or, you know, pet spots, things of that nature. But with OMG carpet cleaning, all the spots are included in a cleaning. Now, cleaning is different than clean up. Now, if you've got a dog diarrhea situation and it's fresh, then that's a clean up situation. But carpet cleaning like this, spots are included. So there's no per spot fees, there's no upsell. Disinfectant is included. So the carpet is sanitized, disinfected. Our number is 404-500-9853. Again, that's 404-500-9853, or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. Again, no per spot fees, no upsells. So we're kind of the perfect pet owner carpet cleaner. Again, that's OMG Floor Care, 404-500-9853. Thanks for watching. All right, as you can see, we have gotten out all the spots, or more specifically pee trails, on this particular job. I commented earlier about Zero Res, and if you have a Zero Res in your area, they do charge extra for spots. Although what's interesting to us is that most people call and schedule carpet cleanings because they do have spots. Only about 25 to 30% of people, customers, get their carpet cleaned when they're supposed to. Most of them get it cleaned when they have to, which usually involves spots, heavily soiled areas, things of that nature, like this job here. So, not sure what their actual cleaning includes. If you got spots, that's extra. Our philosophy is, you know, that's why you're getting it cleaned, because you do have spots. So again, there's no per spot fees, there's no upsells, no Scotch guarding, that kind of stuff. It's a exact pricing quote. A lot of people called, the first question they ask is about pricing. We offer an exact pricing guarantee that if the technician tries to charge you more than what you're quoted, your carpet cleaning is free. So whereas most carpet cleaners come in with a price trying to get higher, ours is you pay what we quote or it's free. So it's a win-win for the consumer. We're trying to change the face of how carpet cleaning is done. No fine print, that kind of stuff. You know, we do charge 3% if you run a credit or debit card, but otherwise the pricing is exactly what we quote. Check or cash is exactly that number. Credit or debit card, there's a 3% charge because that's what they charge us. Thanks for watching. Again, we're great for pet owners, particularly parents as well. OMG carpet cleaning, omgfloorcare.com, 404-500-9853. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Again, 404-500-9853. Thanks for watching, and take care.